Let's go. So I was in the car, riding with my bitches, Tanya and Gabby. Told them bitches, I said, where you wanna go? These bitches said, I don't know. I said, bitch, you don't know where you wanna go. So, we riding through Pontiac and shit, looking for some beats. These badass kids running around the block and shit. I'm trying to go find a beast to go beat down. These bitches trying to find a nigga to fuck. Look at these dirty fat bitches right here. These bitches walking down the street looking like some dirty ass bitches from Pontiac. We're the home of the dirty bitches, okay? So, I'm rolling down the block and I see some more dirty bitches, number 3. I'm looking for my baby daddy, cause this nigga done clearly lost his damn mind walking all up and through the goddamn streets like he know me and shit. I'm looking for Emilio, okay? So, I asked Gabby, I said, Gabby, bitch, where you wanna go? Hold on, is this my street? No, that's not. That's the light. So, then Danya, where the fuck do you wanna go? Well, I can't see. Oh, fuck. Here it is. Danya's a deputy shit. She's over here looking like a big truck. That's what she is. So, we driving this nice-ass Commander. Hold on, nigga, this court. We're driving this nice-ass Commander. And we see another bunch of dirty bitches. Oh, man, let me get you these streets. Look at these streets. Everybody's fucking dirty up here. We're going around looking for baby daddy status. This camera will be on all day every time I see a baby daddy.